Hello YouTube. Today's mission, engine out. Engine and gearbox. Let's do it. First step for pulling the motor out is going to be disconnect all things that connect from the engine to the car. So like your fuel lines, vacuum lines, and whatever else really. Any hoses, radiator hoses, power steering hoses. And then once all connections between the engine and the car are undone, then we do engine mounts, gearbox mounts, and hopefully that's it. Get the engine out. Yeah, I'm gonna try and set up some sort of rig so I can film this. So we've got fuel in and fuel out, disconnected, top radiator hose is off, throttle cable's off, and bottom radiator hose has been dropped. We'll do power steering line, pull that off the pump, then it'll be vacuum lines, which I can pull off. This vacuum line here, I think this is your absolute manifold pressure sensor back there, so we'll pop that one off. Doesn't have a PCV valve, I'll have to get one. Ow, that was my head on the bonnet. Yeah, just keep chipping along. Also got my phone taped to the pole to be able to do those time lapses. That's awesome. Do what we gotta do. Fucking size is this thing? Oh, fucking finally. Fuck, I gotta take the whole pump off. No, no. My muscles. Sweet. Right, sweet. Power steering is off. There's the return line too. Door. Update, it's very hard to film and work, but radiator is out, thermo fans are out, they're over there. Injectors are unplugged, as you can see. Spark plug leads are off, these injectors are unplugged, water lines, power steering line. That was to the starter motor, and I don't remember that was off currently anyways. There's my earth cable, which was bolted on at the front of the power steering pump. Fuel lines are off, so pretty much ready to come out. I'm just under the car at the moment. Under here, trying to undo the exhaust from the extractors, but gearbox mounts are out, undone. There we go. Yeah, as you can see up in here, gearbox bolts are out. So yeah, just got to get the exhaust off and then undo the engine mounts, and we're good to go. So yeah. But, this is the gorgeous face you get to look at, because I don't have the luxury of a hoist in my backyard. So we're working on our shit in the driveway. Fuck yeah. Yeah, it's going well. So I'll keep on swinging wrenches and get this thing out of here. So yeah, a couple of times I did have this car running, it sounded like it had a bit of an exhaust leak. And I dare say, there's your exhaust leak. Fucking dog shit looking old gaskets. This one's not too bad, but still old as hell and kind of melted on there. But yeah, exhaust is off. And it's hanging down there. And it is tight as fuck under here. But we're getting there. Next is engine mounts. Oh, it broke me fucking scissors. You're gonna die now, cunt. Fuck you. Yeah. Alright, we're back. So, update. I had to back the extractors off just a little bit. All the bolts in the extractors. Had to loosen them off so that I could undo the exhaust from the extractors, because one of the bolts was sitting hard against the steering rack. Couldn't get a spanner on it. So I just had to undo the extractors so that they could drop a little bit, get a spanner on it, get it undone. So now this thing is ready to get the motor and box pulled, which I can't do until tomorrow because I need someone to help me push the car back, because the engine crane is not gonna fit here. That's only a trolley jack, and it nearly fits between the front of the car and the grass. And an engine crane with fucking, what, 600-700 kilos of motor and gearbox hanging off it is not gonna roll on grass. So I gotta wait till tomorrow. My old man will be home, push the car back, motor and box out, and yeah, that'll probably be a video in itself. I'm gonna cut this video here because I kind of just want to pump the videos out and keep things rolling. So even though the engine box isn't coming out in this video, it's still plenty of stuff for you guys to watch, and yeah, another video on the series. On another note, all my parts have arrived from Rest Bears. So I've got boxes on boxes on boxes of stuff to do to put on the car. I've already started doing door seals. This is the driver's side one, got started on it, and the rear driver's side one is in, and then I've just got the other two doors to do. I've already thrown some wheel nuts on, so I ordered all new wheel nuts for the car. Bonnet struts, because the bonnet only opened to about there before because it had odd struts on it. New washer bottle, and I got a nozzle kit, but I believe this might have a VS bonnet instead of a VR bonnet because the nozzles didn't fit in the hole for some reason. But anyways, we'll come back to that. So struts, washer bottle, and I've pulled the tail lights out because it had the super gay early 2000s clear tail lights, so we can burn those and smash them into a million pieces, because they should stay in the 2000s where they fucking belong, because they're fucking ugly. And we've got brand new OEM tail lights and indicators and headlights and blah blah blah, many pieces to put on the car, which I'll try my best to film me doing. But anyways, that's about it for today's video. If you watched all of this, thank you. If you're following the series, thank you. Hopefully I'm going to keep pumping these videos out and this really turns into something. I'm keen as. Cheers for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.